Nice.
All right, we are at 1112. This is our room. Cheryl just ripped that thing open like she's a pro. Bam.
Oops.
Throwing things around over here. Let's see if this thing works. In and out.
Life jacket.
Room 1112, so that's on deck 11. It is a spa balcony cabin. When you come in the front door, immediately to the right is space with the safe. There's some life vests in here. Coming on down, more space for hang. More space. Oh, look at that. Full length mirror. Very nice. More hang space. Immediately to the left is the bathroom. Now coming into the room, once you get past the bathroom, we have a couch. And on the other side, we have some drawers. Immediately to the right, 3 drawers. Looks like they're nice and deep. Hair dryer. Coming on up. Phone. Space for water and shelf 1. Shelf 2. You have a desk. There are a 220 volt outlet, 220 volt outlets, and then 2, see there, USB, a little bit of space underneath the desk, and then small cabinet, 24-inch TV, maybe 32-inch, I don't know. And right there we have another mirror. Our beds are pushed together. Cabinet to the left, cabinet to the right. 2 twins pushed together makes a king. And then a full balcony space. Because we are on deck 11, there's no one above us, or no balcony above us. You can see there. Beautiful space looking out. Here is the room looking from the balcony. Cabin 1112. Looks like they have pull-in space here, so if you are a party of 3 or 4, a party of 3 probably, that's where it's going to come down from. And you can look at some of our other cabin reviews. It shows what it looks like when they come down. We only have 2 in our room this time around, so there is the room looking out to the cabin, or out to the balcony. Bathroom looking in. You see you have 4 shelves. You have a large sink. Bathroom. Curtain. It is not glass or plastic curtain. You have toilet. A little bit of space down here, really just space for things for the bathroom. Definitely a tight space, but is also typical of what you would see inside of most cabins.
On the screen now is a posting from the cabin. It has all of the added amenities of a Cloud 9 spa room. So these are the extra amenities that you have by booking this type of room. This is an example of some of the beautiful sunsets or sunrises that you can see from balcony on the Carnival Radiance.